Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn on or off your XIAOMI Smart Standing Fan 2 Pro. That can be done in two different methods, either using the app by simply going to the smart fan and clicking turn off. Now it's turned off, or you can click on turn on. You can also basically do it by clicking on the fan itself. I'll just actually detach it and you'll see right here there are different buttons, and clicking on this button will result in turning the device on or off. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.